Right, it's Friday, January 20th, 2023, and here we have a doorknob. I want to focus. I bought this doorknob from the Home Depot, and it's not focusing. There we go. This doorknob from the Home Depot, similar to this one right here, but this one's gold. And yep, I covered up the key copy code for privacy reasons. And then yeah, this is gonna be unboxing it right now. But first, we'll demonstrate each item. They got this for a small safe. It's gonna be this box in that corner right there where that big opening is at, all the way inside, where I didn't fit it in. And then got 2 more rolls of tape. I got this one for $9 at Walmart. It's $11, and then I got this for $4 because I can't go to the swap meet, but that's good. This is the cheapest one I could find. Let's unbox the items then. First, we'll get this one first. Okay, we're gonna unbox this one first. Before we do that, let's take a look at the back of the package. And then this right here. And it's time to cut it. I bought this for $10. Actually, we don't need to cut it. We just need to cut it with scissors. Right here, the parts actually make it. That's much better. Right. Actually, we'll put him up here. This is what we got. A lock. And then, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. This is perfect for what I need. Perfect. Now let's unbox the doorknob right there. I bought this for $20 because it was not Black Friday. And I got the silver one. The one that I got at the Home Depot at Lakewood Mall back on Black Friday 2021. I got that one for $10. So that's a good deal, but for now these are a bit expensive. But worth it at least. Right, first we got our keys. I put tape to cover the number, but on the other side they just say Defiant. It comes with 4 keys, a deadbolt, a doorknob. Pretty cool. And then yeah, let's go and take the items out. Actually, I'm gonna leave them in there since I'm gonna put this back in there since I'm not gonna install it today because it's already too late. But we can demonstrate this one at least. This smells like hydro fluid, by the way, so yeah. Yeah, I can smell the hydraulics. Like if you get inside an elevator, you're gonna smell this type of. When you get on an escalator, it smells like this. Like that's what I'm smelling right now. And yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate the items on top of my park instructor. And there's a doorknob. Tomorrow I'll do a demonstration of this because it's already too late and I don't have that much memory on my phone. And all the videos are delayed because of what I'm doing. But all the videos are expected to be uploaded by the end of next week, hopefully. But that will be